Oh, what a beautiful day for us to watch a movie, right, Elmo? It sure is, Big Bird. So we got Charlie's Angels on DVD so we can watch it. Don't watch it, guys. What? Who said that? Come on, this is a great movie. I know, this movie's about action and all, but it has a scary logo called TriStar and Columbia Pictures. Oh, Elmo knows. Um, Toad, you told the cow not to watch Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back. It has the THX, the cavalcade logo on The Empire Strikes Back. And SpongeBob and Kermit, you told Miss Piggy not to watch Toy Story because it has a THX Moo Can logo. And Mr. Snuffy, you told Bert, you told Ernie not to watch Toy Story 2 because it has a THX Broadway logo on the VHS quality. Now you're saying there's a scary logo on Charlie's Angels? Okay, Elmo and Big Bird, whatever you say. Okay. Oh, scary logo! Just put the disc in and watch and see for yourself. Okay. Oh, scary logo! Let's watch how scary this is. Oh no, what's that noise? That's right, Elmo and Big Bird. Told you! PG-13. What? An FBI warning screen? I don't want to see that. We want to see that movie. The movie's starting.